Hey guys, Thunder E here. We finally got the 45-watt charger for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I am ready to check this thing out. Now I want to give a shout out to B&H Photo for actually sending this over. If you want to pick up yours, go over to B&H Photo, use the link down below. You can get your own 45-watt charger. Now we know with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, third-party chargers don't work, so we need to see how fast this charger is. Now we saw how fast the 25-watt charger for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus was. It charges about 68 minutes, which is pretty fast. I've got another video you can go check out where I compared it to, of course, the Huawei P30 Pro, the OnePlus. You can see how fast it actually does there against the competition. This video, we're going to be going against the P30 Pro because that did 65 minutes, and the ROG Phone 2, which has a 6,000 milliamp battery. Now, looking at that charging block, the 45-watt charging block, it is massive. It is a big charger, much bigger than the 25-watt charger. And we're using the stock chargers for all of the devices. So the Huawei P30 Pro, we're using the 40-watt charger. It's got a 4100 milliamp battery. The ROG Phone 2, the 30-watt charger with a 6,000 milliamp battery. And of course, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus with its 45-watt charger, which you can buy separately for about $49 or slightly less, with its 4200 milliamp battery. So let's not waste any time and jump in. All right, so we have our devices lined up. Galaxy Note 10 on the far left, ROG Phone in the middle, Huawei on the far right. iPhone is a clock, and we're good to go. Now, I'm turning it on from the switch, so it's going to turn all the devices on right here. You're going to see the charging indicator, LEDs will pop up for a few devices, and we're good to go. The Huawei P30 Pro is turning on fully because Huawei devices do that. And it seems like it doesn't really affect its charging, but to be fair and balanced, I am going to turn on the other devices to make sure at least that we have things fair and square. So the Galaxy and the ROG Phone 2. Now, some of you might be wondering why the ROG Phone 2 in this. Well, I want to see how long it takes to charge that 6,000 milliamp battery. It does come with a 30-watt charger, so hopefully that is fast enough, but that's a chunkier battery. We're going to speed through some of this stuff. Now, if you guys are looking for those wallpapers, you know where to get some of my wallpapers, or all of them really. They're on my Pinterest page, so go check that out. Use that link down below. But I'm really impressed that nowadays charging a device doesn't take 2 or 3 hours anymore. You know, we can do it in a short time. We know the Galaxy Note 10 Plus does it in 68 minutes with its 25-watt charger. We're going to check now at the 10-minute mark. That's the first time we're checking, and it's 27% in 10 minutes. That's not bad. So a quick sit down, you can get some good charge there. The ROG Phone 2 comes in at 10% here. And we're just going to turn that down a little bit so we can actually see that better. And yes, it's 10% for the ROG Phone. Nice Naruto wallpaper. Then we will finally check the Huawei P30 Pro with its 40-watt charger. And that is, I believe, 29%. So we've got 29% on here. Just clear some of those things out. Make sure we can see this a little bit better. I apologize, guys. But 29%. So we've got that there. And what we're going to do is we're going to check 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and then we'll see who comes in first after that. So we'll kind of speed through all this, and we'll get to that mark. Now, as we're going through, I want you guys to tell me what devices you would like to see in a battery test. In the charge test. We know that Xiaomi has a new device, has pretty fast charging, so I'll try and get those, and I'll see if I can add that, to future charge tests. So we're coming close to the 20-minute mark, and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is at 50%. So in 20 minutes, you get half your battery life back. That's impressive. And the ROG Phone 2 is at 19% here. So, but again, it's 19% of a 6,000 milliamp battery. So that's pretty big. You do the math, it's still quite enough there to last you a while. And then the Huawei P30 Pro is at 54%. So that's good. So right now, Huawei is faster. Within the first 20 minutes, you're going to get at least a couple more milliamps in terms of percentage more back than what you get over the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So we'll see if the Galaxy can catch up. But right now, again, this is something Huawei did in the last video. Check out our previous, battery charging test on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But we're getting close to that 30-minute mark. Let's see how things fare in 30 minutes. But I'm thinking the Galaxy Note 10 Plus will be catching up. And we look in here, we've got 72% in 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, you're going to have enough to last you quite a while. Now the ROG phone is at 28%. It's kind of crawling through. It's not moving as fast as I would like. But again, it's a really big battery in there. And then the Huawei P30 Pro is at 73%. So you can see here that the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is catching up. It's only 1 percentage point away in 30 minutes, and that's actually quite impressive. Again, it's a 45-watt charger on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus that I'm using. This is a charger you have to buy separately. It does not come with the unit. It's a 25-watt charger that comes with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but that charger is actually really good. The Huawei comes with a 40-watt charger. That's also impressive. And, last time we did 65 minutes. We'll see what it does this time. We're getting close to 40 minutes. And 40 minutes on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is 86%. Okay, 40 means 86%. That's good. And the ROG phone gives us 37% in 40 minutes. So it's going to take a while for this thing to charge. So just warning people out there who have the ROG phone too. And the Huawei P30 Pro is at 86% also. So now it's a dead heat for both devices. Now this is part where it comes to the home stretch where you're going to see the different changes. One is slightly above the other until we get to that final mark where we know that, okay, these devices are going to be somewhat similar in terms of speeds. That's really impressive if you think about it. In 40 minutes, 86% for both devices, meaning the Huawei and the Galaxy. That's really good. ROG phone is going to take a while, but we're going to speed through because we're getting close to that hour mark. And that's where it's going to be interesting to see how well the Galaxy Note 10 Plus does in terms of, of course, charging times. So we have 57, 58 minutes, 59, and we get to an hour, and check this out, an hour and 59 seconds, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is fully charged. So basically in an hour, the Note 10 Plus is a fully charged device from 0 to 100%. That is impressive. That is absolutely impressive. An hour, 59 seconds. That is truly impressive. Now we'll go ahead and we check our Huawei here, the P30 Pro. It's at 98%. It's going to take a little bit more time. ROG phone is still kind of, burning through its oil there. And as we keep moving, we'll see it's now 3 minutes, an hour and 3 minutes, or 63 minutes, 64 minutes. And when we get to 65 minutes, this is where the ROG phone, this is where the Huawei P30 Pro hits 100%. And 65 minutes or an hour, 5 minutes right here. That is also quite impressive. Again, same numbers we got last time, so it's consistent and it matches, and we're good with that. While the ROG phone 2, we skipped ahead in time a little bit because this ran rather long. Went to 100% in 2 hours and 10 minutes. So we have a device here that's fully charged with a 6,000 milliamp battery in 2 hours and 10 minutes. So let's round this up, guys, because some impressive numbers across the board. I want to hear your thoughts, but let's go ahead and discuss. Okay, that was impressive. It took an hour from 0 to 100 to charge the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And for those of you who noticed, yes, I had Wi-Fi on, and I also had LTE, which is the same scenario as I had before, and that beat the Huawei, which went at 65 minutes. That only had Wi-Fi, and the ROG phone 2, which took 2 hours and 10 minutes. That being said, look, that's fine. It's got a 6,000 milliamp battery. Now, in retrospect, do you need the 45 watt charger? Not really, because the 25 watt charger gets up to 100% in 68 minutes. I've heard some people say they've done 65 minutes. So an extra 5 minutes here or there is not a big problem. Now, what the 45 watt charger is most useful for is topping off really quick. So if you are at 0 and you've got 30 minutes to spare and charge, this will get you to almost about 70-80% on there. So that's what it's really useful for. So hopefully this gives you guys a good idea of what the 45 watt charger on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus does. It is really fast. It beats out the Huawei, it beats out the OnePlus, it beats out every device. We will pair it with the Mate 30 when it comes out, see how well it does there. We'll also compare it to the new iPhone when it comes out, see how well it does with its new 18 watt charger. So can't wait to check it out. Thank you for watching. Use the link down below if you want to pick it up. And also don't forget to enter into our giveaways. I'm giving away 3 Pixel 3s for hitting 300K subscribers. So I want to thank you guys. Check out the community page. Check it out on Twitter and on Instagram. You can enter to win. Thank you. Enjoy this video, enjoy your entertainment, and catch you in the next one.